The Nieuw Statendam just changed how I think about modern cruising, and I've been on more ships than I care to count. This Holland America vessel launched in 2018 and immediately caught attention for doing things differently than the typical cruise experience. Most people expect cruise ships to be floating shopping malls packed with screaming kids and endless buffet lines. The Nieuw Statendam breaks that mold completely. This ship focuses on sophisticated relaxation while still offering plenty of excitement for those who want it. This ship represents the future of premium cruising, where elegance meets modern convenience, and where every detail is designed to make you forget you're on a floating city with 2666 other passengers. Let me walk you through what makes this ship special, starting with where you'll actually sleep. The staterooms on the Nieuw Statendam are genuinely impressive, especially compared to the cramped quarters you'll find on many other cruise lines. The interior staterooms might not have windows, but they're surprisingly spacious at 184 square feet. The ocean view staterooms give you that crucial connection to the sea with large portholes that actually let in decent light. But here's where things get interesting. The balcony staterooms are where this ship really shines. At 233 square feet plus a 55 square foot balcony, you're getting real space to spread out. The suites take luxury to another level entirely. The Neptune Suites offer 465 square feet of living space with separate sleeping and living areas, plus a massive 189 square foot balcony. But the real showstoppers are the Pinnacle Suites at 1290 square feet with 110 square foot balconies that wrap around the ship's corners. Every stateroom comes with modern amenities that actually work. The interactive television system lets you order room service, book shore excursions, and even control the air conditioning from your bed. The bathrooms feature rainfall showers that provide decent water pressure, a miracle on cruise ships. Now let's talk about the food, because this is where the Nieuw Statendam really separates itself from the competition. The main dining room serves elevated comfort food with options that change nightly. You won't find the usual cruise ship mystery meat here. The beef is actually tender and the seafood tastes fresh. Canaletto offers authentic Italian cuisine that rivals what you'd find in a good neighborhood restaurant back home. The pasta is made fresh daily, and the pizza actually has a proper crust instead of the cardboard you get on most ships. The wine selection focuses on Italian varietals that pair perfectly with the menu. The Lido Market buffet breaks every rule about cruise ship buffets. Instead of one massive chaos zone, it's divided into different market-style sections. The Asian section serves fresh sushi and made-to-order stir-fries. The grill section does burgers and hot dogs that don't taste like they've been sitting under heat lamps for hours. For specialty dining, Pinnacle Grill serves steakhouse fare that justifies the extra cost. The dry-aged steaks are cooked to order, and the lobster tail actually has flavor. Rudi focuses on fresh seafood with a French twist that feels sophisticated without being pretentious. The dive-in poolside grill serves surprisingly good burgers and fries that you can eat while watching the ocean. New York Deli and Pizza offers late-night options that don't make you question your life choices. The Explorations Cafe combines a coffee shop with light bites in a space that feels more like a boutique hotel lobby than a cruise ship. Speaking of pools, the Nieuw Statendam gets this right too. The main pool area on Deck 9 centers around a stunning sculpture called the World Stage. This isn't your typical cruise ship pool scene with screaming kids and loud music. The atmosphere stays relatively calm, even during sea days. The adults-only retreat area on Deck 10 offers a genuine escape from crowds. The pool here is smaller but infinitely more peaceful. The surrounding lounge chairs actually have padding, and the service staff keeps your drinks coming without being pushy about it. The Sea View pool on Deck 11 provides an alternative when the main pool gets busy. This area often stays quieter because many passengers don't realize it exists. The whirlpools scattered around the ship maintain perfect temperatures and offer great views of the ocean. The pool deck design deserves special mention. Instead of cramming everything into one chaotic space, the ship spreads pool areas across multiple decks. This means you can always find a quiet spot to relax even when the ship is full. Activities on the Nieuw Statendam cater to adults who want more than shuffleboard and trivia contests. The fitness center features modern equipment with ocean views that make treadmill sessions bearable. The jogging track on Deck 10 offers a proper workout space without dodging deck chairs. The World Stage hosts evening entertainment that ranges from classical music to contemporary dance performances. The shows feel more like what you'd see at a regional theater than typical cruise ship entertainment. The acoustics in the theater are excellent, and every seat offers a clear view of the stage. BBC Earth experiences bring nature documentaries to life through immersive presentations that educate and entertain. These shows use cutting-edge technology to make you feel like you're exploring remote locations around the world. It's educational entertainment that doesn't talk down to the audience. The Rolling Stone Rock Room offers live music in an intimate setting that recreates the feel of classic rock venues. Local musicians perform covers of rock classics, and the sound system actually does justice to the music. The space stays open late for those who want to keep the party going. The spa and wellness facilities on the Nieuw Statendam focus on genuine relaxation rather than high-pressure sales pitches. The Greenhouse Spa offers treatments that use natural ingredients and techniques that actually work. The thermal suite includes a eucalyptus steam room and aromatic salt room that provide real benefits. The spa's hydrotherapy pool creates a peaceful environment for gentle exercise or simple relaxation. The surrounding lounge areas offer quiet spaces to decompress before or after treatments. The staff provides helpful advice without constantly trying to upsell additional services. Fitness classes range from traditional yoga to more contemporary options like pilates and spinning. The instructors focus on proper form and safety rather than just pushing people through high-intensity workouts. The outdoor yoga classes on the deck provide a unique experience you won't find at your local gym. The spa's facial and massage treatments use high-quality products that leave your skin feeling genuinely improved. The massage therapists have proper training and adjust pressure based on your preferences. The relaxation rooms allow you to extend the peaceful feeling after treatments end. While the Nieuw Statendam attracts primarily adult passengers, the ship does accommodate families with children. The Club HAL Kids program provides supervised activities for children ages 3 to 12. The program focuses on educational activities that teach kids about the destinations they're visiting. The teen program offers age-appropriate activities that don't treat teenagers like oversized children. The teen lounge provides a space for young people to socialize without adult supervision while staying safe. Evening activities include movies, games, and social events designed specifically for the teenage demographic. Family staterooms offer connecting options that give parents and children separate spaces while staying close together. The ship provides cribs, high chairs, and other necessary equipment for families traveling with infants. The main dining room offers children's menus with familiar options alongside more adventurous choices. The ship's family-friendly activities include deck games, movie nights, and educational programs that engage children without overwhelming other passengers. The pool areas welcome families during designated hours while maintaining adult-only times for those seeking quieter experiences. The ports of call and shore excursions offered by the Nieuw Statendam focus on cultural immersion rather than tourist trap shopping expeditions. Mediterranean itineraries include stops in Barcelona, Rome, and Greek islands with excursions that explore local history and culture. The ship's smaller size allows access to ports that larger vessels can't reach. Caribbean itineraries feature private beach experiences at Half Moon Cay, Holland America's private island. The island offers pristine beaches, water sports, and dining options without the crowds found at other cruise line private destinations. Shore excursions focus on authentic local experiences rather than manufactured tourist attractions. Northern European cruises showcase the ship's ability to handle different climates and cultural experiences. Ports like Bergen, Stockholm, and Copenhagen offer excursions that explore Scandinavian culture, history, and natural beauty. The ship's knowledgeable expedition team provides context that enhances every destination. Alaska itineraries take advantage of the ship's modern stabilization systems to provide smooth sailing through potentially rough waters. Glacier viewing experiences and wildlife spotting opportunities are enhanced by the ship's advanced navigation systems and experienced crew. The overall experience on the Nieuw Statendam feels more like staying at a boutique hotel that happens to float than a traditional cruise ship experience. The service staff maintains professional standards without being intrusive. Room service arrives promptly and includes items you actually want to eat. The ship's size strikes the perfect balance between offering variety and maintaining intimacy. You'll never feel lost or overwhelmed, but you also won't run out of things to do or places to explore. The passenger-to-crew ratio ensures attentive service without feeling like you're being watched constantly. The ship's design incorporates art and cultural elements that reflect Holland America's Dutch heritage while appealing to international travelers. The public spaces feel sophisticated without being stuffy. The lighting throughout the ship creates ambience appropriate for different times of day and activities. One potential drawback is the ship's appeal to older demographics, which might not suit travelers looking for high-energy party atmospheres. The evening entertainment leans towards sophisticated rather than high-energy dance parties. The overall pace of life on board moves slower than on some other cruise lines. What makes the Nieuw Statendam unique is its commitment to elevated experiences without pretension. The ship doesn't try to be the biggest or flashiest. Instead, it focuses on doing everything well. The attention to detail extends from the quality of ingredients in the restaurants to the thread count in the bedding. The ship's partnership with BBC Earth creates educational experiences that you won't find anywhere else at sea. These programs add intellectual stimulation to the typical cruise experience without feeling like homework. The technology used in these presentations rivals what you'd find in major museums. The Culinary program stands out through partnerships with renowned chefs and focus on regional ingredients. When docked in Mediterranean ports, the restaurants incorporate local produce and specialties into their menus. This connection between dining and destinations creates a more immersive travel experience. The ship's art collection includes works by contemporary artists alongside traditional maritime pieces. The collection creates conversation starters and adds visual interest throughout the vessel. Unlike many cruise ships where art feels like an afterthought, the Nieuw Statendam integrates artistic elements into the overall design. The ship does offer meeting and conference facilities for groups and corporate events. The Explorer's Lounge can accommodate business meetings and presentations with modern audio-visual equipment. The private dining rooms work well for corporate dinners and special events. The conference facilities include high-speed internet access that actually works reliably for business needs. The meeting spaces offer natural light and ocean views that make long sessions more bearable. The business center provides printing, copying, and other essential services for traveling professionals. The ship's event planning team works with groups to customize experiences that take advantage of the maritime setting. Team-building activities can incorporate the ship's unique features and destinations. The flexibility of the event spaces allows for different configurations based on group size and needs. Guest experiences on the Nieuw Statendam consistently highlight the exceptional service from crew members who remember names and preferences. One passenger reported that dining room staff remembered their coffee preference after just one meal and had it ready each morning thereafter. These personal touches create loyalty that extends beyond single cruises. The ship's guest services team goes beyond basic problem-solving to create memorable moments. Passengers have reported surprise celebrations for anniversaries and birthdays that weren't officially registered with the cruise line. The crew's attention to detail extends to remembering casual conversations and following up on guest interests. The enrichment programs feature guest lecturers and experts who provide insights into destinations, history, and culture. These presentations add educational value that enhances the overall travel experience. The speakers are carefully selected for their expertise and ability to engage diverse audiences. The ship's commitment to environmental responsibility includes advanced wastewater treatment systems and energy-efficient technologies. These efforts appeal to environmentally conscious travelers while reducing the ship's impact on the destinations it visits. The sustainability programs don't sacrifice comfort or convenience for environmental benefits. After experiencing everything the Nieuw Statendam offers, it's clear this ship represents a different approach to cruising. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, it focuses on delivering sophisticated experiences for travelers who appreciate quality over quantity. The ship succeeds in creating an atmosphere where relaxation and enrichment coexist naturally. The Nieuw Statendam proves that modern cruising can offer genuine luxury and cultural experiences without breaking the bank or sacrificing comfort. For travelers seeking a cruise experience that feels more like a floating resort than a theme park, this ship delivers exactly what it promises.